Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome. Today we are diving deep into something that can completely transform your life: how to have financial freedom. Not just surviving, not just paying bills, but living freely, making choices based on passion, not pressure. In this session, we're going to talk about the truth about money and freedom, the habits and mindset shifts you need, practical steps to build lasting wealth, how to stay abundant no matter what. Get cozy, grab a notebook, and let's open your heart and mind to a new way of living. Affirmation to begin. I am open to financial freedom. I am ready to live abundantly. Breathe that in. Now let's get started. Financial freedom isn't about having millions in your bank account. It's about having enough passive income or financial resources so that money is no longer your main concern. It's the freedom to work because you want to, not because you have to. Make choices without fear of money. Live your dream lifestyle, traveling, creating, giving back. Financial freedom is emotional freedom too. It's about peace of mind. Remember this: financial freedom was our choice. Reflection. Question: what would my life look like if I never had to stress about money again? Before money flows to you, your mind must be ready to receive it. Most people are stuck in scarcity, fear, worry, doubt. To be financially free, you must shift your identity. Believe, I am abundant. Money is my friend. There is always enough. Scarcity says, I can't afford that. Abundance says, how can I afford that? Daily money mindset habits. Say wealth affirmations every morning. Visualize your bank account full. Celebrate every dollar that comes to you. Mini practice. Say out loud, money flows easily and endlessly into my life. I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. Limiting beliefs are the chains holding you back. Some common money lies: rich people are greedy. I'll never get out of debt. I have to work 24/7 to be wealthy. But these are not truths. They are programs you learned from family, society, experiences. New empowering beliefs. I deserve wealth and success. Money amplifies the good I can do in the world. I can earn money in ways that feel good and authentic. Quick exercise. Write down 3 limiting beliefs you have about money. Then rewrite them into empowering truths. Money flows to those who understand how it moves. Key money principles. Spend less than you earn. Invest the difference. Create multiple streams of income. Protect your money with smart decisions. Money grows when it's put to work, through investments, businesses, assets. Remember, saving alone won't make you rich. Investing and earning smarter will. Quote to remember: don't work for money, make money work for you. Robert Kiyosaki. Close your eyes. Visualize yourself living in full financial freedom. Feel the peace, the excitement, the joy. Imagine your dream home, your bank account balance, your daily life. It's yours right now. Feel it. When you're ready, open your eyes and smile. Here's the formula: earn, increase your income. Save, keep a portion of what you earn. Invest, grow your money wisely. Protect, avoid bad debt and risky decisions. Let's break each one down. Earn, develop high-value skills. Sell products, services, or knowledge. Save, pay yourself first. Always save a percentage before you spend. Invest, stocks, real estate, businesses. Invest based on your education and comfort. Protect, insurance, legal advice. Avoiding scams, protect your empire. Truth bomb. You are already capable of mastering these steps. It's just about taking one small action every day. The average millionaire has 7 income streams. Examples: salary or main job, side hustle or business investments, stocks, dividends, real estate income, royalties, music, books, online products, courses, ebooks, affiliate marketing. Start small. Start now. Ask yourself, how can I create my second income stream this month? Even $50 a month is a seed. Water it and watch it grow. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It's about consistent action and staying focused. Tips: set clear financial goals. Track your progress weekly. Reward yourself for milestones. Surround yourself with wealthy, positive influences. Books, videos, mentors. Never stop learning about money. Golden rule. If you wouldn't trade your place today for someone else's tomorrow, stay on your path. Trust your timeline. Money without purpose leads to emptiness. Financial freedom is about more than just you. Ask, how can I use my wealth to help others? How can I give back to the world? What causes or passions matter to me? True abundance overflows. When you live in wealth and generosity, your soul stays rich forever. Final affirmations. I am destined for financial freedom. I use my wealth to create good in the world. Every day, I grow richer in every way. You have everything you need inside you to create the financial freedom you desire. It's not luck, it's mindset, action, faith, and persistence. If this session inspired you, imagine what your life will look like when you apply even 10% of it. You deserve freedom. You deserve peace. You deserve abundance. If you found value today, like this video, comment below one thing you're committed to doing for your financial freedom, and subscribe for more content that helps you manifest your best life. Let's grow rich together, in wealth, in joy, and in love. Thank you for being here. Until next time, keep shining and keep manifesting abundance.